Morning everyone. Thank you so much for clicking this video. And this is me Simani Sani and I'm a student of Nada Learning Institute. Okay, so now I'm going to tell about topic and my topic is English. Okay, nowadays English is very important because by the English we can also talk to anyone who is educated person. Okay, and nowadays it also comes in any exam. If we will go anywhere for giving exam, there is also comes English, and if we know about English, so by that we can also give that exam. And uh, and English is important because if we know English, so we can go if we will go any other country, so there we can also speak. And if we will speak English, so I think who is standing front of me, and they can understand, either they will understand we are educated, either we know perfect, we are educated person. So by that English is important, and for learning English we should practice. And whatever there is need we should do. And we should also need practice for we should read word meanings, many things. And if any institute other coaching will present, so we should join that coaching other institute, because by that we can learn many things. And if we will join that coaching other institute, so by that we can know perfect. So that's all about my topic. Okay,
So my name is Mahima Singh. I'm a student of Nadwa Learning Institute. So now I'm going to tell such a curious topic, that is our fundamental rights. As we all know that fundamental rights is the base of our constitution. Due to this, means because of this, our constitution is very good as compared than any other constitution of countries. And if I talk about fundamental rights, then we have in this time we have 6 fundamental rights that has been made for every Indian who is citizen of India. They should follow, and who is not following, then they are also getting loss of that. And I would like to tell first, right to equality. We have right to be equal, means in our society no one is upper and no one is low. Means sometimes in village we see that everyone, not everyone, but someone compares to such a caste, means some caste. Then it should not be. According to our constitution, it has not been told that means that caste is upper and that caste is low. And second one is right to freedom. According to, means this right, we are free for everything. Means if we want to do anything, then no one can stop us to do for doing that. If as like we can say that if I want to read, and someone, either my family is forbidding to me for reading, then means I can do FIR against them. Means we should not look that who is that. If they are breaking the rule of our constitution, then it should be. And third one is right to freedom of religion. Okay, according to this fundamental rights, if we want to change our religion, like as if I am a Hindu and I want to be a Muslim, then no one can stop our family, although our family cannot stop. Means if I want, then according to our constitution I can. And fourth one is right to constitution remedies. According to this fundamental right, we know, means what all has been given by our constitution, fundamental rights. And a lot of article, a lot of streams, means we should follow to that. And if someone is forbidding to that, for doing that, then it cannot be stopped. And that's all.
Okay, my name is Karina Chauhan. I have a topic. I would like to tell about student duties in India. Firstly, I would like to tell that the destiny of a nation is folded within its youth, as the flowers within the close embrace of the petals that sit in the buds. Firstly, I would like to tell that the destiny can't progress without uh, the destiny of a nation is folded within its youth because the students are the future hope of a nation and the backbone of a country. Because the country can't progress without its dams and big factories. Because the country should moral character. That's why the student should develop a sound moral character within them. And if we talk about student, they should not take interest in petty matters of any political parties, because that affect on our career. That's why the student don't take interest on that. If we talk about students, they should devote a greater part of their life in the student devote a greater part of their time in pursuit of knowledge, because knowledge makes perfect man and perfect woman to change any situation and any country. Like as if student are too knowledge if students have knowledge, then they can change a nation. They have power to change a nation, because knowledge is more powerful. Because knowledge, if anyone have knowledge about any situation, to how to escape from that and how to uh, develop a high towards that. And if we want to change any situation, then there is more there is more knowledge. There is need of more knowledge. By that we can achieve, by that we can escape from that situation. And student should take interest in the in study. And they have if they have knowledge about any situations to how to escape from that, they can escape from that. And another duties, if we talk about student duties, then first duties of a student towards themselves, they should keep their bodies healthy and active. They should keep interest in games, sports and NCC. By that they should develop their body to healthy, keeps healthy. And uh, another duty, if we talk about another duties to students, they should they should devote greater part of his time study. And if any time after study they have, they should devote in the in villagers to villagers evils. That is called how to escape from dowry system and how to escape from other evils of societies. And their duties towards nation. That's all about my topic. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe.
Subscribe our channel Nadwa Learning Institute.